Luxmore hut. Last hut on my list. Oh god, yesterday was so freezing. And it's still pretty cold. Like I'm wearing way more than yesterday and having too cold, but I gotta just walk fast to get warm. Oh, it's even my feet are really cold in those shoes. Ooh. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. It was actually frosty. It was all white in the trees and leaves. So I think it was below zero. It was a really cold night. I think this is how it is for the next like 2 hours. Just up, up, up. Funny. It's gonna be a good walk. Gonna get really nice warm. I think I'm slowly approaching the tree line. This must be the bluest, brightest day I've had so far. Super lucky. Especially on that day when I have like the most amazing views of the whole track. It's gonna be bomb. Fuck yeah. Tree line. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Woo! It's like home. Almost better. The trail is wonderful. It's like super easy, kind of flat. It's great. Ah, amazing. I could have not asked for more. Look at that sky. Fuck. Arrived at some stop. Look at that. Oh, there's a cloudscape. Oh my god. Holy crap. Ah. Oh. I think I'm gonna have a Snickers here. It's a good spot. I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Couldn't be happier. I'm so glad that I quit smoking. Hiking is actually fun without. Hi. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It doesn't get much better than this.
Oh, it does. Down there is better.
Really?
No, it's great. It's great. Hi. Climbing Mount Luxmore. It's basically the highest point of the Kepler track. Hi. by far the best day. Amazing views. Just blue sky. Almost zero clouds. Yeah. Couldn't have not asked for more.
This plant in it, it's called Hebe, Hebe, and so many people grow it because it has that nice greenness about it. It never gets very big, and it has a really nice four-sided foliage.
Mm-hmm.
It's drizzling. It's beautiful. I'm wearing 50 shades of gray. It's pretty cold. Still gotta warm up. Still gotta walk. It's gonna get better, I think. It's just too bad. There used to be a nice view yesterday to the lake, but it's gone. Damn. Anyway, back to Tiana and warming up. Back into the forest. It's pretty steep. My knee's fucked again. This time the left one, not the right. Pretty weird. Maybe I was like overcompensating or something. Yeah. Should probably tape it when I get back to town. Real food, finally. Just had an amazing shower. Post-trail showers are probably the best. Oh, after 4 days of like hiking, getting sweaty, being dirty, then a hot shower. Oh, so great. The only thing, I didn't bring a towel, so I just used some old clothes, because why not? I gotta do laundry anyway. My knee hurts as fuck. Almost worse than last year. Although funnily it's like on the opposite side this time, but yeah. I'm gonna have a like complete rest day tomorrow, just sitting in the grass, having some chocolate. This is where I was yesterday. Kepler track. Pretty great to see it. I think I used way too much tape. Oh fuck, that's like 3 times, 3 rounds. But anyway, it's gonna be very stable now.
You're never gonna get that off.
With a knife.
You'll take off all your leg hair.
Oh, it's so good. It's really great. I don't feel any pain. This is probably by far the most chaotic dorm room I've ever seen. I think I'm having so much sugar in the last 3 days ever since I completed the hike.
When we were on the hike.
Hi Brian.
Hey, how's it going?
Holy fuck, what a huge shake.
Attention, attention, for security reasons.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney. The local time is 2 minutes past 1 o'clock PM. Please remain